Hello guys! Birthday po ngayon ni Gwenny. Ang aming Mami Gwen. Gwen! Gwenny! Yan po. Birthday po niya ngayon. Ilang taon na ba si Gwen? Hi! Hi, Boss Madam! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Again, eating breakfast with mango, cauliflower, carrots, patatas, spinach. Daming fruta, ang daming veggies. Okay. You love veggies? You love veggies, bebe? You love it? Uy, gusto niya yung veggies. Tsaka po ano pa po gusto? Nangangamot na naman si Mami ko. Yan. Favorite spot niya po yan. Start tayong eating. Eating na po tayo ng breakfast. Sam. Boss Madam. Ikaw ba si Boss Madam? Ikaw si Boss Madam? Ha? Ikaw si Boss Madam? Ikaw ba si Boss Madam? Gusto mo ba ng veggies? Gusto ba ng veggies ng bebe namin? Ang aming Boss Madam. Uy, galing! Gwenny! Gwenny! Happy birthday, Gwenny! Happy birthday, Gwenny! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Gwenny! Birthday ni Ate Gwen? Birthday ni Ate Gwen? Do you like ba the vegetable? Sarap mo. Bye na. Bye! Like and share. Follow for more. Visit niyo po yung aming YouTube channel ni Boss Madam. Bye-bye na. Bye-bye ka na. Bye-bye na.